American government? The American system of government is established by the United States Constitution. There are three separate but equal branches of government. The three branches of government are the executive, the legislative, and the judicial. Our government is a system of checks and balances. We have the executive branch, the legislative branch, and the judicial branch. Each branch has equal power. Let's take a closer look at our government. The legislative branch. This branch of our government includes Congress. Congress is divided into two houses, the Senate and the House of Representatives. The legislative branch makes laws. The Congress meets in the U.S. Capitol building. The Senate. The Senate has 100 members. There are 2 senators from each state. Each senator serves for 6 years. Candidates must be at least 35 years old, and they must live in the state they represent. Pennsylvania senators are Bob Casey Jr. and Pat Toomey. The House of Representatives. There are 435 members in the House of Representatives. The number of representatives depends on the population of each state. Each representative serves for 2 years. Candidates must be at least 25 years old and live in the state they represent. Now you know a little bit more about the American government.